Welcome to the second week of the smoothie challenge, and go you for getting this far. Today's smoothie is going to be using chocolate. Our chocolate smoothie, should I say, really. Some spinach, some avocado to make it really creamy, and again, avocado and blueberries are both fantastic for your skin. So this one is going to be a really good cleanser, but also glowing. Let's go. Put in some blueberries, frozen this time, some spinach, again really good to get some spinach in for heart health and good fats like avocado, just all round cover a lot of nutrients that you require to be taking every day, and they're natural. It's not vitamins, it's just like, it's not like a pill, you're taking it in the real form. So I'm going to put the milk in and crumble the raw cacao bomb. Let's get it going. Like how I've said it before, the chocolate one is really crumbles really small, right down, because it hasn't got the dry fruit. But do the best you can at breaking it down. There you go. Switch it on and go. Now I look at this one as a bit of a mousse. It's so thick because we've put in the avocado. It's a bit like a chocolate mousse. It's so yum. Now if you like it, this isn't going to be very cold. So if you do like a really cold smoothie, you can add some more ice to it and it'll be kind of less thick but really yummy regardless. Let me know what you think.